Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Stripe billing for subscription upgrades in Shopify. Full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the App Store by clicking on Apps in the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Stripe and press Enter. Locate the Stripe billing app from the search results. Click on the app to view its details. Select Add App to begin the installation process. You will be redirected to a permissions screen. Review the permissions required by the app. If you agree, click on Install App to proceed. Once installed, you'll be prompted to connect your Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account, you can create one during this process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Stripe account. After connecting, navigate back to your Shopify admin panel. Click on Settings located at the bottom left corner. Select Billing from the Settings menu. In the Billing section, find Subscription Plans. Create a new subscription plan by clicking on Add Plan. Set the billing interval, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. Define the pricing and any trial periods, if applicable. Save your subscription plan after reviewing all the details. Your new subscription plan is now created. To offer upgrades, navigate back to the subscription plans. Locate the plan you want to allow upgrades for. Click on Edit next to the selected plan. Enable the option for subscription upgrades within the settings. Save your changes to implement the upgrade functionality. Now, go to your store's online section to test the subscription upgrade process. Simulate a customer scenario to ensure everything is working smoothly. Verify that customers can upgrade their subscriptions as intended. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.